This number pattern question can be very tricky for those of you who never read or read already also don't understand what is it. So the formula here is not the end term. So a lot of students will misread this. The formula here is not the end term. It is the sum of the first end term. So for example, if I want to add up the first 5 terms, then I just need to plug in n equal to 5. And then this formula will already help me to add up the 5 numbers. Okay, so this formula doesn't give me the 5th number. It doesn't give me the 2nd number. It doesn't give me the 3rd number. This formula actually gave the sum. That means it automatically helps you to add up. So in this question part A, we want to find the first 3 terms. So I want to find the first 3 terms. So how am I going to find the first 3 terms? I am going to find the total first, the total for 3 terms, because that's what the formula can give me. So I'm going to find the total for 3 terms, okay, by putting in 3. So if I put in 3, I will be getting 24. So these 3 numbers will add up to 24. Okay. Then I'm going to find the sum of the first 2 terms. So what will be the total for the first 2 terms? So I'm going to put in 2. So if I do that, I will get 11. So you think about it. Now you got 3 numbers. These 2 adds up to 11. And this whole thing adds up to 24. So if you think of it this way, you can find the 3rd term. So the 3rd term will be 24 minus 11. 13. Okay. So once you got this already, you can just find the sum of the first term. You can find the sum of the first term. So if you go and find the sum of the first term, total for first term, and nothing to total lah, it's just the first term. Then it's just half 1, 5 plus 1. So you get a 3. So this is a 3. And if you know the first term is 3, and the total for the 2 terms is 11, then this one has to be a 8. So the formula doesn't give you the end term, it gives you the sum. So you can sum them up like you can just put in the number and then it can help you to sum up everything. Okay, once you get this, then the second part is your end term. The second part is your end term. So you can see that it's a plus 5, it's a plus 5. Then you can do out the end term like what you usually do. So it will be 3 plus the common difference, n minus 1. Okay, go and expand it out. Okay, so recent years, sometimes they don't give the end term. They actually gave the sum of the end term. Literally, the formula helps you to add up the term. Okay, so you have to see that it's actually different from the end term. End term means you get the 10th term, you get the 11th term. You get that specific term. Sum of the end term means you just know the total, but you do not know the actual number. Okay, so hopefully it clarifies for those of you who get this confused.